My name is Megan Wells. I am a double major of dance, being one of them in anthropology. Today we put on this peaceful demonstration to show what's happening with our department with FA 203 being taken away. We decided to do a flash mob, not only because we're dance majors, but to show like this is something that's a part of our lives. It's not just some movement and practice that we do. It's actually something that we want to pursue in the same way that a writer majors in English and wants to pursue writing. So Student Dance Alliance, we meet every Wednesday, and Matthew, he's kind of like the face of our department right now, which is super awesome. And he decided like, hey, I can choreograph a flash mob. And so he pretty much took it and made it kind of like a fame aspect so that everyone can show and demonstrate their different techniques, which includes ballet, modern hip hop, and all of the like that was included as well. So it was really cool. It was a lot of like freestyle that he allowed all of us to have an artistic voice in it as well. So it was cool. Tonight we have the town hall meeting at 6:30 in Knuth and Creative Arts. This will be a time for our voices to actually be heard from him physically, as well as for him to be able to see that it's affecting more than just the dance department, but the school's community as a whole. The space is not only used for dance majors and minors, but used for different clubs and organizations on campus who want to utilize the space to practice for their different performances and things they have going on as well. So.